To deposit an e-check without printing, you can use your banking app on your smartphone. Download the app, which is typically available on both iOS and Android platforms, and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, select the deposit option and enter the required details. Sign the back of the e-check. Then take screenshots of both the front and back. Submit these screenshots to complete the deposit process. Alternatively, you can use a web browser to access your bank's website, where you'll find a check deposit option. Fill in the required information and submit the e-check screenshots to finalize the deposit. Additionally, if available, you can use ATMs that utilize optical character recognition (OCR) technology, which enables the ATM to extract relevant information from the check and process it. By using one of these methods, you can easily deposit an e-check without printing, making the process convenient and efficient.